According to Forbes, there are 5 ways that you can use video marketing for your small business growth. I'll tell you what Forbes says those 5 are, and then I'll give you 3 more. Hey, Larry here again, and this time I'm going to share the Forbes 5 plus an extra 3, and I even have an extra bonus after that. But if you're a photographer, and I'm talking about a still photographer, and you think it might be kind of cool to listen in on conversations with the best photographers in the world, you'll want to check out a brand new audio podcast called Picturing Success. It stars world-famous Canon Explorer of Light, Rick Salmon, and me, and it's over on iTunes. You can get the whole lowdown, our guest list, the link to the iTunes place so you can subscribe, and find all that over at the official website, picturingsuccess.com. So, number 1 of the Forbes 5, you can embed a video on your homepage of your website. Now, if somebody makes it to your website and you give them a chance to learn all about you from a whole bunch of text and some graphics and some links or a video, I guarantee the video is going to get a lot more traction every time. Number 2, Forbes says that you can reach mobile customers better. Now, I'm not sure that even qualifies as a separate way that video helps, but what I would say is that just like computers and tablets, mobile users are watching a lot more video than ever before, and if your sales pitch is in video form, you're going to reach a lot more of those users. Number 3, besides an in-person meeting, video is going to be the best approach to show your product in action. If you sell software or a tool or something that you can demonstrate, do the demo on video. Now your product demos can be watched 24 hours a day, even when there's not staff there to do the demo. Number 4, engaging interactively with your customers is nothing new, but it is kind of new on the web, and it's very new in the form of video. Now you can do interactive live video on Facebook, you can do it on Twitter, you can do it on Instagram, even YouTube has live streaming capabilities, but this isn't for everybody. It takes a special kind of personality to be comfortable with live video, and you're gonna have to do it regularly in order to build an audience. But if you're up for that kind of thing, it could be good marketing for your business. The last of the Forbes 5 is to create small teasers in order to build anticipation. So let's say you have a product or a service that's gonna be available in the future. You can leak little details to help build pre-release desire. And my twist on this is to go ahead and ask for audience input. That way they have ownership when your product or service does hit the market. That's what smart marketers are doing these days. Now, I told you at the beginning I had an extra 3 ways that you can use video, and I'll tell you what they are. Plus, I also have another bonus, so watch to the very end to find out about that. So number 6 is a big one, and a lot of companies overlook this, and it's using videos for customer service answers. So let's say you get regular questions, either by phone or by email, that your customers are contacting you constantly and asking a frequent question. That's why we have those FAQ sections on websites. You should put the answer in the FAQ, but also make a video. I've done this for clients, and it really reduces the time that customer service has to spend on the phone answering questions. Think about where you like doing business, and usually it's going to be with somebody that you know, like, and trust. And there are simple little videos to build that know, like, and trust factor. There is no way besides in-person conversations to do it faster than using simple video. So consider using simple talking headshots so that people can get to know you and your staff, and you can build the know, like, and trust factor. And finally, what do you know about in your industry that more of your customers or your target market wouldn't necessarily know, but you could share in video form? Short tips and tricks videos with insider secrets are a great way to build that know, like, and trust factor. That extra bonus I told you about, it's a free cheat sheet to help you learn the stuff that you need to know about simple business videos. And this is going to be whether you're doing them on your own for your own business, or maybe you're a photographer who's just doing a little bit of pro-looking video to add to your still shooting business so you can make some more money. This cheat sheet is a great starting point, and you can just go to larrybecker.tv/cheat sheet. It's not a .com. Go to larrybecker.tv/cheat sheet and get it there for free. One other thing, If this video helped you at all, please go ahead and subscribe and give it a thumbs up over on YouTube. Now, go get your free cheat sheet.